Maxwell is an Australian cricketer who is known for his explosive batting and off-spin bowling. He has represented Australia in all three formats of the game, and has also played in various domestic T20 leagues around the world, including the Indian Premier League and the Big Bash League. Maxwell is often regarded as a versatile and dynamic player, capable of turning the game around with his aggressive batting style and clever bowling variations. Maxwell made his international debut for Australia in 2012 and quickly gained attention for his unorthodox stroke play and ability to clear the boundaries with ease. His aggressive approach to batting and ability to innovate shots have made him a valuable asset in limited overs cricket, earning him the nickname The Big Show. In addition to his batting prowess, Maxwell's off-spin bowling provides an additional dimension to his game, allowing him to contribute in multiple ways on the field. One of Maxwell's most memorable performances came during the 2015 ICC Cricket World Cup, where he played a crucial role in Australia's title-winning campaign. His ability to perform under pressure and deliver match-winning performances in high-stakes games has solidified his reputation as a dependable and impactful player in the Australian cricket team. Apart from his international exploits, Maxwell has been a sought-after player in various T20 leagues, attracting attention with his ability to score quick runs and provide breakthroughs with the ball. His presence in franchise cricket has further showcased his adaptability and value as a utility player capable of influencing the outcome of matches in diverse conditions and settings. In recent years, Maxwell has continued to be a key figure in Australian cricket, contributing with both bat and ball in crucial moments. His aggressive batting style, coupled with his ability to contribute with the ball, makes him a formidable all-round asset in the Australian team's lineup. As he continues to evolve as a player, Maxwell remains a player to watch out for in the international cricketing arena.